In this video, we will see how to automatically generate a TOC using PageMajik's Editor. Open the chapter in PageMajik's Editor. Click on the Generate TOC button. In the pop-up that follows, you can select either the chapter number or the chapter title, or both to appear in the table of contents. Click on Create. You will get a confirmation that the TOC has been created successfully. Click on the Exit button to close the current chapter file and exit the editor. Double-click on the Table of Contents folder to go to the tab view. You will see a TOC XHTML file there. Single-click on the Table of Contents folder and select the action Move to Front Matter to move the TOC XHTML file to the Front Matter folder. You will now be able to see the TOC XHTML file in the Front Matter folder. You can ensure that the TOC file is in the correct order of sequence by repositioning it as needed in the sequence interface. Click on Save to save the reordered sequence.